to install Microsoft Clarity on Shopify quick guide. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about how you can install Microsoft Clarity on your Shopify. So first of all, you have to get the tracking code, log into your Microsoft Clarity account and navigate to the project for your Shopify store and copy the provided tracking code. And after that, you have to go to your Shopify admin panel, navigate to online store, themes, click on actions and edit code, locate the theme.liquid file under the layout section. And after that, you have to paste the code and save the changes. And then you have to go to settings, checkout and scroll down to the additional scripts field. And after that, you have to paste the code again and save the changes again. And Shopify Plus, add a new layout. If you have a Shopify Plus account, you need to create a new layout for checkout pages. Under layout, select add a new layout, choose checkout in the drop down menu and paste the code. Like repeat steps 3 and 4, pasting the clarity tracking code into the head section of the newly created checkout layout. So that's it for this video guys. See you on the next one.